Now we're going to go over how to use a pole when cleaning windows. This is an Unger window cleaning pole, and it has a quick latch and delatch system. It also does have threads on the end, so if you have a tool that threads on the pole, you can still use this pole. You will need to find a pole that works with the mop and squeegee that you're using. Some of the hardware store ones, they just will use a broom handle or their own type of pole. I like this one because it has this collar where you can extend it, and it will actually go pretty long. This window that we're going to clean behind me, I won't need to extend it though. So the basic technique is you're going to be doing straight pulls with the pole unless you have an articulating squeegee, which I do not. So start by putting your mop on the pole and scrubbing the window. And we'll just do the entire window. Next, switch to your squeegee. And we're going to do straight pulls all the way down. Now, to maintain proper squeegee angle, sometimes you will have to step back or squat as you're squeegeeing. Because if you remember from our squeegee technique video, you don't want your squeegee too much this way and you don't want it too much this way. You want to maintain that squeegee angle while using a pole as well. Now, to detail the window, I'm missing a detail rag, but I'll just use this one. You can put this over the end of your pole like so. Start it on the side with your hand like this, and then you can let go and run that all along the edges of the window, and then you can finish up the bottom by hand like so. What else? Oh, you can also, if you need to, put a towel on the edge of your squeegee as well, if there's a hard, tight spot to get with the pole. The rubber on the squeegee will also kind of grab the towel, which is kind of nice. That's basically it to using a pole while window cleaning. I recommend you go and find a window that you can practice this on your own house or family or friend's house. And all of the same squeegee techniques that we talked about in the squeegee technique video apply to a pole as well. So when you're doing those straight pulls, make sure you're angling your squeegee slightly away from the clean side and you're wiping off the edge of that squeegee. Again, if you need to back up or squat as you're pulling the squeegee down to maintain that proper squeegee angle, do that. Oh, one other thing. So another way that you can use the squeegee or the pole, and this will work especially well if you're working in direct sunlight, is you can do just the top part of the window that you can't reach by hand with the pole, and then do the rest without the pole. So you can scrub the window like so. And then squeegee it down. and then detail the top edges of the window. And then you can finish off the window without the pole. Sometimes that's easier. You'll just have to figure out what works best for you. Hey, thanks for watching. You know, this video is actually part of a free online course that I've made on how to professionally clean windows. If you want to sign up for the course, you can go to the link in the description where you'll find the rest of the course, some other supporting materials, and a community of other people that are learning how to clean windows as well. So, thanks again, and we'll see you in there.